Welcome to another edition of Birdview Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to log time for tasks you are assigned to. There are 3 ways to log time for any task. My Assignments Activity Center Time logs history. For the first option, click the checklist icon to open the My Assignments page. Here, you'll see a list of all the activities assigned to you. On the right, you'll find a timer and a clock icon. Click the play button to start the timer, and click pause once you're done. You can then fill out the details and log your time for the activity. If you already know how much time you spent, simply click the clock icon and fill in the details to log your time. Another way to log time is in the Activity Center. Filter the activity you want to log time for, then click the 3 dots here, select Add Time Entry, and fill out the details to log your time. Finally, if you prefer to log all your time at the end of the week, head to the Time Logs History module. Go to the Weekly Timesheets tab and click Add Time. Here, you can choose the activity you want to log time for and enter all the time you spent this week on it. And that's how you track your time on a project. For more tips, visit the Birdview Knowledge Base.